Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making delicious red lentils and rice in a rice cooker. This is so easy to make. It's so delicious. It can be served as a main dish or a side dish, and leftovers are really good too. So the ingredients in this recipe are dried red lentils, brown rice, coconut milk, water, chopped onion, thyme, garlic powder, curry powder, ground ginger, and kosher salt. So all we're going to do is put all of these ingredients in the rice cooker, cook them, and you'll have a meal or side dish. So easy. So the first thing we're going to add is 1/2 cup of dried red lentils, and I soak these, and I notice when I soak them they turn hard, but when I put the water in, it'll come apart again. Next, 1 cup of brown rice, and I have long grain brown rice. 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and this is a full fat coconut milk. 2 1/4 cups of water, and I just happen to have a measuring cup that measures 2 1/4 cups. I don't know, do you have one like this? 1 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme or thyme leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and I love curry powder. Anything with curry powder and coconut milk is going to be good. 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, or the salt of your choice. Now we're just going to stir these ingredients together, mix them well. I'm going to break up my red lentils that stuck together. You don't have to rinse the red lentils, but I like to. Okay, the ingredients are stirred well. Next, we're going to turn the power on. Select the brown rice setting if you have it. If you don't have the brown rice setting, just set it on the regular rice setting. Okay, we'll be back to try it. Once it's finished, I'm going to let it sit a few more minutes before I open the lid, and we'll try it. It tastes amazing, I promise. Okay, we'll be back then. Our red lentils and rice are finished, so it's time to try it. It smells so good. I'm going to stir it up a bit. So we've been having this sometimes as a main dish, sometimes as a side dish. It smells so good. It's so easy to make. And if you have a bigger rice cooker, you could double the recipe and have more. I'm going to let it cool a bit and try it. Okay, I'm ready to try. It smells so good. I love the texture. It's creamy. So delicious. Easy to make in the rice cooker. Just put all the ingredients in, stir, cook. It's ready to go. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.